everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Streets. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Target. I'm going to do a little Target haul for y'all. Some things I've tried before and some things that I have not tried before. So we're just going to get right into the video. Target, the online app, is definitely great. I love it. One thing that I don't like is my stuff be coming in like 4 or 5 different, it be coming in like 2-3 different packages. That's the thing that I really don't like, but I understand, like, when you order online, that on the online app, it's coming from like different places to get to you, you feel me? So it's not coming from just one store, like it's coming from 3 different stores. So yeah, that's what you have to be aware when you do search on the app. But it is nicer because sometimes my Target don't be having what I be wanting, you know what I'm saying? And I need it right then and there, or not right then and there, but I need it, you know? So yeah, so let's just get right into the video. So the first thing I got is Forever an Essential. Okay, this is the Honeypot normal foaming wash. I love this. I have it in a travel size. I put it in my spend the night bag. I love this stuff. Okay, I've tried the cucumber one. I've also tried the sensitive one. I like the original one. The orange one is definitely for me. I absolutely love it. I have some extra pumps, so hopefully this pump doesn't give me any problems, because which one was that? When I bought the sensitive one, it gave me a couple problems. The pump did, but I have extra pumps in my little drawer there, so hopefully this pump doesn't give me any problems. I will never stop buying this. I will never stop buying this. And I think they sell it at Walmart as well, the cucumber one and the cucumber wipes. I gave the cucumber wipes to my mama, so I don't know how those work. She said she liked them because she likes cucumbers scents and shit like that. But yeah, the Honeypot normal foaming wash is bae. And I have to get another travel size one because I'm finna be traveling soon. But yeah, Honeypot, if you are a girl and I have not put you onto Honeypot, if you a girl and I haven't put you on Target or Honeypot, I don't know what to tell you. Like, I really don't know what to tell you. Excuse my hair, it's still wet. I washed it and I just did these braids because I don't feel like, you know, dealing with my hair and everything like that. And I am pretty confident enough to walk outside the house with my braids. So yeah, this time I'm gonna be wearing my hair for the next couple days. So yeah, but yeah, Honeypot normal foaming wash, definitely a must. Like, get you some Honeypot. Stop using Dove. Stop using whatever you're using. Get you some Honeypot, sis. Black owned at Target as well. Like, that's one thing I love. I love a black owned product. You understand me? Honeypots. Okay? Normal foaming wash. The next thing I got is something that I have used before as well. This is the Honeypot organic regular pads. I love these. I've used them before. I love using these. I've used these by themselves, and then sometimes, depending on my flow, I'll put a tampon in, and then I will put a pad, like, you know, to catch the blood, you know what I'm saying? Like, cause no, who trying to like mess up their panties? Ain't nobody finna do that. But I can tell y'all, I haven't had any messed up panties with these. Like, these are so good. I love these. I've tried the purple and I've also tried the green package as well. And I think I've tried the blue. I'm not sure. But this is just the organic regular herbal infused with wings, and it has mint, lavender, and aloe. Okay, so if you've never used Honeypot before, when you put the pad on, it's gonna feel like a mint. You're gonna feel like a cooling sensation. So I highly recommend these, and I'm also gonna buy some for my nieces, cause, you know, yeah, I don't want them using no Tampax. You feel me? They need to be put on to organic stuff. And I don't know what they, you know, I don't know what their parents got them using. But I'm going to put, auntie going to put them on to some organic shit. Now, you understand me? All right now. The next thing that I got is the Honeypot. It's a pattern. Do y'all see? Do y'all see? The next thing that I got is the Honeypot organic overnight herbal infused pads. So when I seen these, I was like, okay, because they have so many different versions. They have the one with the herbs, and then they don't have the ones with the herbs, just the regular ones. I like the ones with the herbs. And so when I seen these, I was like, okay, they have overnight pads. So I'm guessing these are bigger, because this one says 20 count and then this one says 12 count. So I'm guessing, you know what, let me just open them. So when you open them, it's just like a flap and it just opens right there, because I do want to show y'all how to open them too. And then you can just smell it, like it just smells like herbs and shit, but it's good. So this is the overnight ones. I'm guessing this is bigger because, like I said, it's only 12 in here. And my cycle only lasts for 3 days. I feel like I'm one of God's favorites, but yeah, mine is only for 3 days. So okay, so there is a difference in size. Can y'all tell which? I'm glad I opened it, because there is definitely a difference in size. So this is the regular one and this is the overnight one. So yeah, use these during the daytime and get the overnight ones for overnight. Personally, I'm not really heavy like that, you know what I'm saying? But in my sleep, you know, ain't no telling, you know what I'm saying? In my sleep, come on now. So yeah, I would prefer using the overnight ones for overnight use, because you just never know. But yeah, these are good as well. So all right, y'all. It's so funny to me because I get excited for my period now. Like, since I started using Honeypot, I get excited for my period. I get excited to use my stuff. Like, I don't know what that is, but is anybody else like that? Like, have y'all switched to Honeypot and do y'all get excited to start your period? Like, I get so excited throughout the process. And I do want to put y'all on to these as well. Y'all know I gotta put y'all on to these. This is the Honeypot boric acid herbs. So what you have here is, I didn't buy these. These are like, I did buy them, but they're not, I don't need any more yet. So these are, as you can see, the box is like warped and stuff. So this is just like a capsule, and like after your period, to like cleanse you out and stuff like that, get all that nasty stuff up out of you, you're going to put this in your, you know what I'm saying, in your gold, in your magic, and then you're just gonna put a panty liner on or a pad, and you're just gonna like let all the stuff just like come out, and boom, you're cleansed. And yeah, you could also use these after intercourse as well. I don't be having intercourse, so yeah, but you know, you can also use these as well after that. But yeah, these are really good. I love these as well. It just makes me feel like I'm cleaner, you get what I'm saying? Like, especially after my cycle, like, come on now, you feel me? So yeah, I'm excited to try all of my stuff. The next thing I'm really excited to show y'all, so let's just get right into it. I've actually already used it, and I wanted to do this video like after like I've used it and stuff like that, to actually show y'all like the benefits and things. So this, I got this online. This is the Satin Sleep Cap for all hair lengths. This is the Sassy Hair Cap. This is what it looks like. So it's made for braids, or if you have like longer hair, or if your hair is just like out and you want a longer bonnet. So you're gonna place the hair into the cap. Let me just show y'all what it look like. So this is the box. I got it online. I'm not sure if it's sold in stores, in like Target stores, but this is what it looks like. So mine is, you have two options. You get it in pink, and then you can get it in black. So this is what it looks like, and then it's satin, in the inside. So let me just show y'all like what I do. I've used this for 3 nights already and I love it. So what you do is you put all your hair in here, right? And boom. Now you can either leave it like this, and then when you have braids, like, it's just gonna hang, you feel me? So when you have braids, like, your braids are just gonna hang like that. Or this is a shower cap as well. Like, the material feels like you can get it wet, you know what I'm saying? Like, I love this material. So what you can do, like, if you have braids or if you have a long protective style, you can pin it up. You can pin it up and boom, it turns into a shower cap. So all of your hair is up, or your braids are up. I know girls always look for like shower caps and bonnets, and this is definitely a 2-in-1. I absolutely love this. So, and then it says care to wash. We recommend unbuttoning the sleep cap, wash on a gentle cycle and in cold water, and then lay flat to dry. So this is 100% polyester and satin. And yeah, I absolutely love this thing, y'all. When I tell y'all, my showers have definitely, because I used to use, hold on, here it goes. This is cool, but I like my cap. This is what I used to use. So I used to put my bonnet on, and then I will put this on. But this is good, especially if I want my hair to stay out, and like, let's say I don't want to take my bonnet off because I'm not going nowhere. I can just either leave it buttoned like this, or I can unbutton it like as soon as I get out the shower and just walk around like this. Now it do look kind of weird, but I don't mind that, you feel me? Like, I'm in the house and I would walk outside like this too, because who gonna check me? I'm protecting my style, you feel me? But I love this because I do plan on getting a protective style pretty soon. So yeah, this is definitely a great purchase, and this was $15 well spent. I absolutely love this thing. I sleep with it like this because I don't really like nothing touching me, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this was definitely a great purchase. So yeah, and I can sleep with it. It's satin in the inside. Oh, I absolutely love this. My bad, y'all, I had to make a call really quick. But yeah, so that was my haul. I absolutely love everything that I got. Like I said, I've already tried these. I'm sure I'll love the overnight pads because it's just a bigger version of what I already use. And this satin hair cap is definitely my favorite thing. Definitely worth $15. Like, I love this thing to death. And my purchase, I believe, came up to like, I don't remember. I think it was either like $30 or $40. I'm not sure. I think it was like 30, but money was well spent. Because yeah, I needed these. You know what I'm saying? I love buying these. These Honeypot. Anything from Honeypot. Like, Honeypot can have my whole money. Like, they can have my whole bank account. You feel me? Like, these wipes stay in my purse. You know what I'm saying? They stay in my bag. I love Honeypot so freaking much. Like, Honeypot continues to do what you're doing. If y'all came out with like a bigger thing of wipes, I would definitely buy it. Like this, for example. This, for example, I absolutely love this. So yeah, I absolutely love my Honeypot stuff, y'all. Like, and my tampons. I love the Honeypot tampons. Like, the Honeypot tampons are good as well. Don't sleep on the Honeypot tampons. I've done plenty of unboxing on those as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you use Sassy Cap. I was skeptical from buying from them, but then I seen that they was in Target on the little website, and I'm like, let me go ahead and see, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm not with the scams, I'm not with the bullshit. I want to know that I'm giving my money to, like, I just don't want to get scammed, you know what I'm saying? I be working hard for my money, and you're not finna play me, you feel me? And Target is my favorite store as well. A lot of y'all know that. But yeah, this right here, I think I'm just gonna keep this on, you feel me? Because it's just cute and I love it. And yeah, it's real good to sleep with. Like, I'm just gonna keep this on. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you use Honeypot. If I, like I said, if I have not pushed you onto Honeypot, or if you're a new subscriber and you're just not finding my channel and you don't know about Honeypot, get you some Honeypot stuff, honey. If you don't even have your period no more and you got a daughter that has her period, get you some Honeypot stuff for her. Like, organic, black owned brand. Absolutely great. I do not even like using anything else, you know what I'm saying? I've tried a lot of organic brands like Raelle, Just, and another one, but none of them compare to Honeypot. And they're also black owned as well. So when you spend your coin, you are putting back into the community because it's black owned. Okay, I only shop, I try, if I can, I try to shop like only black owned. But you know, like stuff like, where don't I get this? Most of my hair products are black owned. Most of the stuff that I use on a regular day basis is black owned. My lip gloss is black owned. You know, like, I don't know, clothes. I haven't dipped in the black owned brand for clothes because some of y'all prices be ridiculous for the same shit that I can get from Forever 21. So it's like I seen a girl, she was selling sweatsuits, right? Them shits was $90, and I'm like, I can get this same good quality. I can get the same quality from Forever 21 for like $15 or less. And I love sweatpants. I'm a sweatpants girl. I'm a sweatpants and t-shirts girl. So you know what I'm saying? I can get 2 for $15 at Forever 21. 2 pair of sweatpants for $15 compared to this $80 jumpsuit or this $90 jumpsuit, but it's black on. No ma'am. So clothing, ain't really sticking with that. But you know, like for my essentials and things like that, I will always shop back on. If it's reasonable, I'm getting it, because why not? You know what I'm saying? All right, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Get you a Sassy Cap, okay? Like, if you have a lot of hair like me, it don't look like it because my hair is in braids, I realize. But if you have a lot of hair like me, you need a Sassy Cap, like, because I can just put this on and go shower and come out. Like, it's not a hassle no more, you feel me? So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Let me know if you will purchase something from what I just talked about. And yeah.